Hi guys, I'm Suprabha. In this video, we'll see the examples asked in GATE in the year 17 for civil engineering. The first example, matrix P is inverse of matrix Q if I is equal to identity matrix. Which one of the following statement is correct? The following statements are PQ is equal to I but QP is not equal to I. Second, QP is equal to I but PQ is not equal to I. Third, PQ is equal to QP is equal to I. And the last option, PQ minus QP is equal to I. Now the first statement says matrix P is equal to Q inverse. Now if the inverse of any matrix is possible, that is if the matrix is invertible, we can write Q into Q inverse or Q inverse into Q is equal to identity matrix. Q inverse is equal to P. So QP is equal to PQ is equal to I. So checking the options, C is the correct option. The next example, if A is equal to matrix 1, 5, 6, 2 and B is equal to 3, 7, 8, 4, find A into B transpose. These are the four options. Now A into B transpose. A is 1, 5, 6, 2 and B transpose interchanging rows into columns or columns into rows. That gives 3, 8, 7, 4. Go for matrix multiplication. 3 into 1, 3 plus 12. 3 that is 38. 8 plus 20 that is 28. By finding these two values, we can conclude that the option A is correct. Still we'll calculate the remaining values. 6 3 is 18 plus 14 that is 32 and 6 into 8 plus 4 into 2 gives 56. That is nothing but option A. The third example, consider following simultaneous equation with C1, C2 being constant. These are the two equations. Characteristic equation for these equations is, these are the two given equations. We are supposed to find out the characteristic equation. We know that characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. And if we solve this equation, we generally get the roots of that equation, and roots are nothing but the eigenvalues. Okay, so here A is coefficient matrix 3, 2, 4, 1. So we'll find out the determinant value of A minus lambda I. That gives 3 minus lambda 2, 4, 1 minus lambda is equal to 0. So 3 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda minus 8 is equal to 0. 3 minus lambda square minus lambda plus lambda square is equal minus 8 is equal to 0. 3 minus 3 lambda, sorry. So equation is lambda square minus 4 lambda minus 5 is equal to 0. So this is the characteristic equation. Let us compare this value with the given option. So option A is correct. Last example, consider matrix 5 minus 1 4 1. Which one of the following statement is true? I'll just read out the statements. Eigenvalues 3 has multiplicity of 2 and only one independent eigenvector. B, eigenvector 3 has multiplicity of 2 and only 2 independent eigenvectors. C, eigenvalue 3 has multiplicity of 2 and no independent eigenvectors. And the last option, eigenvalues are 3 minus 3 and 2, 3 and minus 3 and two independent eigenvectors. Okay, let us go for finding the eigenvalues. To find out the eigenvalues, we have equation A minus lambda I, determinant of that is equal to 0. The given matrix A, I'll directly write 5 minus lambda minus 1, 4, 1 minus lambda. Determinant value of this is 5 minus lambda into 1 minus lambda plus 4 is equal to 0. So this gives 5 minus 6 lambda plus lambda square plus 4. So lambda square minus 6 lambda plus 9 is equal to 0. That is nothing but lambda plus 3 is equal to 0. So minus 3. Lambda is equal to 3 into 3. 3 comma 3. So this is nothing but eigenvalue 3 has multiplicity of 2. All the three options have multiplicity of 2. So we can conclude that last option is incorrect. The valid options are A, B and C. Let us see which one is correct. Now n minus r gives independent eigenvectors. Where n is the number of unknowns are 2 and r is rank of this matrix A minus lambda I. So we'll solve this. We'll put the eigenvalue in this equation. We'll get 3, 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, minus 1, 2, 4, 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1, 4 and 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Now if we apply the elementary operations here, the resulting matrix will be 2, minus 1, 0 and 0. So rank of this matrix is equal to 1. So here we get 2 minus 1 is nothing but independent eigenvectors, that is equal to 1. So the correct option is eigenvector 3 has multiplicity of 2 and 1 independent eigenvector. That is nothing but A is the correct option. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you understood the concept. For any doubts and suggestions, please let me know in the comment box. These are few videos that you can refer. Also check out the link in the video description for handwritten notes. Guys, help us to help you, so please like and share my video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.